All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're buying a home, it's not just about finding the perfect kitchen or the backyard. It's actually a financial decision that deserves a solid strategy. And that's exactly why we're here today. I'm Elizabeth Johnston. I'm a mortgage broker in California and Texas, and I help people like you navigate the mortgage process so you can buy with confidence. My special guest this week is Tasia Garcia, who is here to make sure your financial future is set up for success because home buying and financial planning go hand in hand.
Perfect. I'm excited to chat with you on how to put together a complimentary, comprehensive financial plan to help you on your journey to home ownership. A solid financial strategy is key to reaching your goals, whether it's buying your first home or adding an investment property. As a financial professional, I make sure your finances are working for you. So you're not just getting the home you want, but keeping it long term. So that means having a strong foundation, things like an emergency fund, smart savings plan, solid credit score, at least decent, right? Reducing taxes where possible, and financial protection. Buying a home is a big goal. So I'm excited to hear your story and be able to help you reach your goals. Let's dive in.
All right, so I guess I'm just going to ask, what do you do to understand your clients' home buying goals?
Yeah, let's start by talking about their buying plans, right? Are you buying your first home or have you done this before? What's your budget or price range? How much are you planning to put down for a down payment and closing costs? What savings or financial resources have you set aside for this goal? Have you built up an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses? This can help cover unexpected costs like home repairs or job loss so you don't get caught off guard. This is very important, and it's always what I go over with a client from the very beginning.
Yeah, you and I, you going over your questions, that's what I end up asking, like, where's your money coming from? Where's it going to go? Let's make sure you have enough reserves. So, on that, how can clients be more conscious of their tax saving strategies?
So, there are plenty of ways to lower your tax burden, and I'll walk you through the best options for your situation. I'll also break down how the IRS taxes different types of income so you can make smart moves to keep more of your money while building long term wealth. Let's take a look at the first vehicle. So, the first option we have is our Tax Now vehicle. These are everyday savings and investment accounts, such as checking, savings, CDs, money market accounts, stock bonds, and mutual funds. I'll tell you a couple of the pros and the cons. So, one of the pros, you can access the money quickly, which is great for recovering your down payment and closing costs. Something to consider, you'll pay taxes on any growth every year, which can eat your savings that you're trying to achieve. So sometimes that could be counterproductive. It depends on the individual and what goal they're trying to reach and how quickly they're trying to reach it. Sometimes it's a good option. For first time buyers, these accounts are great for short term needs, but they won't do much for long-term savings, like I said. That's why it's smart to not only save for your home, but also have an emergency fund. So you don't have to dip into your home savings when unexpected expenses pop up. The second vehicle I'd like to discuss with you is tax later. Tax later accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and pensions, these let your money grow tax deferred. This helps compound faster. Pros, your contributions do grow without being taxed every year, so your money works harder for you, which is why a lot of people do like this option. Cons, when you withdraw, you pay income tax, and taking money out before age 59 and a half may come with some penalties. So just something to be aware of. Depending on what your goal is, this could still be a great option for you. If you're trying to steer clear of taxes altogether, you might want to take a look at the other option, which I'll go into in just a second. For this account, though, first-time buyers can borrow from their 401ks to avoid penalties, but it increases taxable income. So it's really only good for short-term needs. If you're considering using retirement funds, make sure you have other savings in place so you're not hurting your long-term financial security, if that makes sense. Tax advantage. This is something that I like to go over with people who really want to accumulate their wealth and are very serious about saving. These accounts like Roth IRAs, 529 plans, and life insurance policies such as IULs or VULs offer tax-free growth and withdrawals, making them great for long-term savings. So one of the pros, you won't pay taxes when you take money out, which is a huge benefit when building wealth. Cons, some accounts have contribution limits or income restrictions. So I like to tell a little bit of the good and the not so good of each so that people are aware and they can make their own decision on what's best for them. Because when I work with somebody, I want to make sure to be collaborative with you and to ensure that you're comfortable with whatever strategy we're going to use. For first-time buyers, families purchasing a home, or real estate investors, life insurance plays a crucial role beyond just tax advantages. A lot of people don't know it ensures financial security by covering mortgage payments. If something unexpected happens, preventing loved ones from facing financial hardship as well. For those buying multiple properties, it can also serve as a key part of estate planning, providing liquidity to cover debts, taxes, or even fund future investments. In short, life insurance isn't just about protection, it's about securing your financial future and keeping your investments safe.
Hmm. Hey, Tasia, did I hear earlier that you said that this is complimentary?
Yes, so everything I do is complimentary. I work with over 175 life insurance companies as well as investment companies. And because of me being appointed with those companies, I'm able to leverage giving complimentary advice and guidance. So whether that's being over Zoom, over the phone, you could even network with me over Facebook or social pages. I'm happy to answer any questions, completely complimentary from A to Z.
Awesome. Now, I'm sure everyone's curious. Can you discuss how the tailored recommendations you provide are like, how is it based on what clients share with you?
Yeah, so based on what the client has shared, here's how I can help. Review your savings strategy to match your home buying timeline. Figure out whether using your 401k is the best move or if other short or long-term strategies like an IUL would be a better fit. Help you build or improve your credit score so you can qualify for better mortgage rates and loan terms. And make sure you have the right life insurance coverage to protect your home and family in case of unexpected events.
Wow. Okay, so I didn't know about any of that stuff. Guys, y'all really need to get a hold of Tasia. I mean, this kind of blew my mind. I knew absolutely nothing about this. So thank you, Tasia, for coming on.
Absolutely. And I wanted to kind of throw in there, a lot of people don't know about this. So that's why I'm so happy we were able to make a video about it to show people the process and the best way to go about buying their first home, reselling, or buying multiple properties. I appreciate your time so much, Elizabeth. Thank you again. Buying a home is so exciting, and I want to help any of your clients make smart financial decisions so they can achieve their goals with confidence. Having a plan that includes home savings, emergency fund, solid credit score, and financial protection, sorry about that, I'm losing my grip here, will set you up for long term success. So let's team up. Let's create a plan that works for you and your future as well.
Wonderful. And guys, if you're serious about making smart moves, whether it's, buying your first home, refinancing, or just getting your finances in order, connect with us. We are all a team. We all want to get you into the home of your dreams. All of our information is going to be in the description below. But as you know, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs it. So until next time, make sure you stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.